What is the biggest misunderstanding people have about making money with AI? And why is it stopping most beginners from ever earning anything? Most people are approaching AI the wrong way. They open a tool. They ask it to generate something. They hope it magically creates income. That's not how this works. AI does not create money. It creates leverage. And leverage only becomes income when applied correctly. In this video, I'm not going to give you random AI side hustles. I'm going to give you a structured framework that beginners are using right now to quietly build income streams with AI, without coding, without quitting jobs, and without needing a big audience. By the end of this video, you'll understand why most people fail with AI, the 3 leverage layers of AI income, 5 real business models built around those layers, and the mindset shift that determines who wins in this year. Stay until the end, because the final section is where the real advantage is. This video will cover 5 major parties, and every party has its unique importance. So, let's start. Part 1. Why most people fail with AI. Here's the truth. Most beginners treat AI like entertainment. They generate images, they play with prompts, and they experiment. But they never connect AI to a market need. And income does not come from using AI. It comes from solving problems faster and better than others. So before we talk about methods, we need to understand leverage. There are 3 levels of AI leverage, and the level you operate at determines your income ceiling. Part 2. The 3 levels of AI leverage. Level 1. Task automation. This is where beginners start. You use AI to write faster, edit videos quicker, generate ideas, and summarize research. This saves time. But saving time does not automatically create income. It just increases capacity. Most people stop here. That's why they never monetize AI properly. Level 2. Service acceleration. This is where income begins. You use AI to deliver services faster than competitors. For example, instead of manually writing social media captions for clients, you use AI to produce 30 in one session. Instead of editing 1 video per day, you can produce 5 videos. At this level, AI becomes your productivity multiplier. You still sell a service, but you operate like a team of 5 persons. This is where many beginners are quietly making their first consistent income. But there's one more level, and this is where things scale. Level 3. System creation. This is the most powerful layer. Instead of selling time, you build systems powered by AI. Systems like automated content channels, AI-driven lead generation pipelines, digital product engines, and research subscription models. At this level, AI doesn't just help you work faster, it works for you continuously. And that changes everything. Now let's break down practical models using these levels. Part 3. 5 real AI income blueprints. 1. The AI content engine model. Instead of trying to become famous, you build content systems step by step. Step 1. Choose one niche with strong demand, like finance, health, tech, or education. Step 2. Use AI to research trending subtopics weekly. Step 3. Generate scripts optimized for retention. Step 4. Repurpose each long video into shorts, reels, tweets, and blog posts. The advantage here is volume. Traditional creators burn out. AI-powered creators scale. Monetization comes from ad revenue, affiliate products, and digital downloads. The key is consistency plus systemization, not viral luck. 2. AI micro-agency model. Small businesses are overwhelmed. They don't want to learn AI. They want outcomes. You position yourself as AI workflow implementer. You help businesses automate email follow-ups, customer onboarding, appointment reminders, fair queue handling, and lead qualifications. Most businesses don't know where to start. If you understand basic AI automation tools, you instantly become valuable. This is not about coding. It's about connecting tools strategically, and businesses will pay for clarity. 3. AI Research and Intelligence Service. This is under-discussed. Startups, investors, and entrepreneurs need insights. You can offer market research reports, competitor breakdowns, trend forecasts, and industry summaries. AI speeds up data gathering, but the value comes from interpretation. You don't sell AI output, you sell distilled intelligence. This works extremely well in B2B markets. 4. AI Digital Product Builder. AI reduces creation friction. Instead of spending 3 months writing an ebook, you outline, expand, refine, and design within weeks. But here's the important shift. Don't sell AI-generated content. Sell problem-solving frameworks. Examples: productivity guides, skill learning frameworks, and niche strategy templates. AI helps you build faster, but positioning determines sales. 5. AI Augmented Freelancing. Instead of competing on price, you compete on speed and strategic thinking. For example, a normal freelancer offers, "I write blog posts." An AI augmented freelancer offers, "I will build your entire content growth system." AI handles drafts and research, you handle direction and refinement. Clients don't pay for typing, they pay for outcomes, and AI allows you to deliver outcomes more efficiently. Part 4. What actually determines success? Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI will widen the gap between people, not because some people are smarter, but because some people will integrate AI into daily workflows and others will avoid it. The advantage right now is not skill, it's the speed of adaptation. In this year, businesses won't ask, "Can you do the job?" They'll ask, "Can you do it with AI?" Because that means faster output, lower cost, and higher scalability. And that's where the opportunity is. Part 5. The Strategic Edge. If you want to build income with AI, follow this sequence. Master one AI tool deeply. Apply it to a real market need. Systemize your process. Increase output without increasing hours. Transition from time-based income to system-based income. This is not hype. It's leverage theory applied to technology. The people winning are not chasing trends daily. They are building structured AI-assisted systems, and they're doing it quietly. Conclusion: the window is open. Every major technological shift creates a window. Social media, e-commerce, crypto, mobile apps. AI is larger than all of them combined. But here's the reality. The window is early, but not forever. In 2 to 3 years, AI literacy will be standard. Right now, it's still an edge. So the real question isn't, can you make money with AI? It's, will you position yourself early enough to benefit from the shift? Before you leave, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the AI Shift Hub, because this channel is about turning AI into leverage, not fear nor hype. Comment below, which AI blueprint are you most interested in building? Because that might be the one we break down next.